Lesley's Baking Basics. Thanks for tuning in. I'm going to talk a little bit about myself in this episode and about how I learned to bake and also what will be coming up in the future. So I hope you stay and watch and enjoy the next few episodes of this series. I've been baking since I was about 10, and my mom and mother-in-law had a big influence in my life. Also, I have learned from actual on-hands doing of myself. So that would be doing things that are wrong and doing things that are right. My mother taught me to bake bread. My mother-in-law taught me some different recipes that I will be posting in the future and that we'll be making live. One thing about baking is that it can be an outlet for you. I know I find it an outlet for me, and I know that my family enjoys what I make, but I'm not perfect. And this channel is not intended to make money or intended to promote certain things. It's just to have fun. It's also for homeschoolers or for middle schoolers or high schoolers that can't go on hands-on and do their home ec classes. I hope that I can teach you a few things that you could learn here, such as in the future measuring, different kinds of breads and basic cakes, basic croissant type things, just lots of interesting homemade items. If I will be posting the recipes later on, and I do have an email that you can email me if you want to for those recipes. Also with baking, one thing that's nice about it is that you can share it. And I share a lot of my breads and my baked items with my friends and family, and they really enjoy that. So that's about it for me. It's going to be a short and sweet first episode, but I appreciate all the viewers, and next time we'll be doing measuring. So measuring dry ingredients and wet ingredients and having the right actual utensils that you need in your kitchen to start off. So from my kitchen to yours, I make it, you bake it.